Hey there, veggie lovers. Welcome back to our garden of goodness. I'm your veggie enthusiast host Mandeep Singh, and today, we are diving deeper into the world of vegetables, from crunchy cucumbers to leafy lettuce. So, grab your salad bowls and let's get veggie-tastic. First up, we have the cool and refreshing cucumber. Did you know that cucumbers are like nature's thirst quenchers? They're made up of mostly water, making them super hydrating and perfect for hot summer days. Plus, they're crunchy and delicious, whether you are munching on them raw or slicing them up for a refreshing salad. The versatile and vibrant bell pepper makes a comeback. Laughs, bell peppers are like crunchy flavor bombs bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. They're not only delicious but also come in 3 fun colors, red, yellow, and green. It's like a rainbow in your veggie drawer. Now, let's talk about everyone's favorite spud, the potato. Potatoes are like the ultimate comfort food, whether they're mashed, baked, or fried. Laughs, they're packed with potassium, vitamin C, and other essential nutrients that help keep us fueled and satisfied. Plus, who can resist a plate of crispy, golden fries? Last but not least, we have the tear-inducing onion. Pretends to wipe away tears, onions might make us cry, but they're worth the tears. They add flavor and depth to all sorts of dishes, from soups and stews to stir-fries and salads. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants and nutrients that help keep us healthy and strong. And there you have it, veggie adventurers. Another bushel of delicious and nutritious vegetables to add to your plates and palates. Whether you are crunching on cucumbers, savoring bell peppers, or enjoying a comforting potato dish, there's a veggie delight waiting for you. So, the next time you are in the kitchen or at the dinner table, don't forget to give a round of applause to your veggie friends. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wonderful world of vegetables.